In this presentation, the MLS will learn how to order, correctly load, and run 2 levels of QC while using the correct rack. This is the front view of the CS2500. The computer for ordering QC and other functions is on the right, while the analyzer is on the left. Note that the loading bay is on the right-hand side of the unit. This is a picture showing 2 levels of QC on the left and the minimum reagents required on the right to run QC for PT and PTT. You have to add exactly 1 ml of DI water to each QC bottle, gently mix, and let it sit for 15 minutes before using. The Inoven requires exactly 10 ml of DI water. For best results, use a volumetric pipette to prepare the QC and Inoven. The other 2 reagents you see do not require preparation. This is the main screen. To order QC, click the order icon at the top of the screen to start the process of ordering your QC. To make this pop-up screen appear, click Order Entry at the far right-hand side of the screen. In the sample number box, scan the barcode label for the desired QC level, then choose the desired test to run, such as PT and PTT, by clicking on the buttons. After you have chosen all of the tests that you want to run, click the OK button. Repeat the entire process again for the next level of QC to run. You must also add the rack number into the field at the top of the screen. Finally, to send your order to the system for the QC to run, you must click the Register button at the far right-hand side of the screen. Please be sure you load the QC onto the rack in the same order as that they were ordered. For example, QC level 1 goes into cup 1, and QC level 3 goes into the next cup. Cup 1 on the rack is on the right, followed by 2, 3, etc., for a total of 10, which the rack can hold. Now that the cups are loaded on the rack, place it onto the loading bay, ensuring it is properly seated to avoid a jam. Now that the rack is facing away from you, cup number 1 is on the left and is the first one the analyzer will use for the QC job. Rack being used has a label on the side which says cups. The other racks say 2.7 mils, and those are for regular specimen tubes. Do not use those. Use only one of the 2 racks that says cups on the side. Now that the QC is ordered, loaded, and ready to go, press that blue button on the right-hand side of the machine to start the process. After you're satisfied that the QC is complete and passed, you can now begin running patient specimens. Congratulations!